As a graduate of UTI's Welding Technology program, you will possess the skills needed to pursue opportunities across the nation and in a variety of industries. Construction, agriculture, motorsports, aerospace, and mining are among the many industries that rely on skilled welders to create many of the structures and items used every day, including the equipment and machinery that produce them. In addition to offering a wide range of career options, welding can provide a career path for those who take pride in seeing the results of their work and want to build things that last a lifetime.
The students here, they're going to be learning how to be exceptional welders. Our goal here in Mission is to actually have them, when they leave here, to be better than what their instructors are.
The Welding Technology program teaches students to become combination welders, skilled in a variety of commonly used welding techniques, including stick, gas tungsten arc, flux core arc, and gas metal arc welding. This helps prepare them to test for certifications from the American Welding Society, which sets the industry standards. At UTI, you will train on equipment from Lincoln Electric, a leader in the design, development, and manufacture of welding technology. In less than 9 months of training, you'll learn about the most common welding techniques and applications, helping to give you a solid foundation to pursue your career. Job openings for welders continue to increase. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics estimates there will be 48,000 average annual job openings through 2028. This means more opportunities for trained welders to pursue careers in a variety of different industries.
So Empire works on various machines, anything from a small backhoe all the way up to a 797 frame. It could be something small as salvage repair for a client's small bucket and that does landscaping to one of the world's largest open pit mines. It could even range to some of the stuff overseas as well. From what we've seen, UTI has actually been more accommodated to what we're looking for in the field. Welding. They tend to lean more than just the basic welding. Not only that, from our experience with them, is the professionalism that they put out with each individual student makes us want to kind of go for that type of person. So one of the main things that we look for in a qualified welder is attitude. Attitude's a big thing that here we look at Empire. We look for how motivated the person is, how well they work with others, and how professional they are. Those are main things that we tend to try to look for when these welders come into play. There is definitely a demand for welders. We're constantly looking for high-skilled welders right now. It's almost like a shortage, which a good experienced welder is hard to come by. So the demand for it is high right now.
My name is Brett. We are MMI Industrial and Steel, and I am the Chief Operating Officer. What a blessing it is to be part of an essential industry. I have several friends that are really struggling through this. But I'll tell you, as long as our country needs roads, bridges, schools, churches, hospitals, warehouses, construction is going to remain essential, and I have felt so grateful throughout this process to come to work every day and to get a paycheck every other Friday. As I contemplate what can happen for a student if they get involved in some online learning, number one, they're going to have to get some hands-on, but number two, if they're getting some online, it would then accelerate their understanding of the technology world, right? If they're comfortable with online learning, they're going to be comfortable to continue learning how to do a spreadsheet, write a professional email. And so the introduction of that, I believe, is critical, not so much to the beginning phases of their career, but to the advancement of their career. So I'm really happy to see a blended learning environment. As I have evaluated UTI and other schools that are frankly competitors of UTI, and I won't mention their names, there's no comparison. There's just simply no comparison. The administrators at UTI have hired very, very well. Every time I go to campus to recruit or educate, people express appreciation for how our company is helping to move things forward for their students. Other hiring managers like myself, I have coordinated with them, and they go and have the same experience, and they go away just as happy to be a part of a system that is giving so much to those students. And it makes it very easy for us to, number one, want to recruit out of that school, and number two, invest our time in helping that school, because frankly, they're the cream of the crop.